Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you this part. Look. Well, this one is made of SKD11 tool steel and processed using full angst simultaneous machining with wire EDM, which means electronic discharge machining, and with precision gradient. The client has specific tolerance of minus or plus 0.01. The surface treatment applied is hot treatment with a smoothness of 0.8. This quantity of the patch is 500 and it will be shipped to the United States within 6 days. Thank you for watching. Please contact us at the below email address. Bye bye.